Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, which is very exciting for me at least, we're going to be talking about the iPhone 15 Pro Max. You know, it's that time of year, and are we upgrading, are we not upgrading? Well, obviously I upgraded, but yeah, we're going to get into the unboxing and the comparison to the iPhone 14 Pro Max and see what we get. So let's get right into the video. So you would have seen the unboxing and all of that jazz. And now let's really talk about the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So right out the box, you know, you would have seen I got the natural titanium and everything like that. Talking about the exterior, let's just talk about the exterior, what I noticed. I am not a tech girly at all. So what I've noticed right off the bat is, even though it's titanium, it still shows the fingerprints around the edges. I don't care, my phone will have a case. It's sitting right over there, and you would have seen that I put that shit in the case right out the box. So yeah, comparing it to the 14, which is stainless steel, much more shiny on this one, more matte on that one. They both have the matte back and all that jazz. Obviously we know that that silent toggle thing changed to now a button that you can customize. I have mine on the camera, and who knows, in the future I can change it to whatever I want it to be. The big thing, changing from lightning to USB-C. Everybody loves that, excited with that. And don't be an Android user and come on here like, oh, Android's been ahead of the game with that for so many years. Keep your Android. Keep your Android. Nobody asked you. Keep your Android. Anyway, back to it. For me, I'm not gonna get so technical and specific. I know there's a comparison and we can go off of that. Right off the bat, the iPhone 14 Pro Max is heavier than the iPhone 15. That's one thing I noticed as well right out of the box. It feels, I wouldn't say it feels nicer, but it feels different. So yeah. Another thing for me, and why I always upgrade or look for an upgrade, not only with the cable, was the camera. Now this year the megapixels did not change. What changes that focus and it having that portrait mode that you can go back and focus a picture on the portrait, focus the picture and blur the background. Yeah, I really like that because I could snap a quick picture and then go back and put it in portrait. I like that for shots of my dogs when she doesn't keep still. So snap a quick pic and then can I go back and do the whole portrait thing. And I'm sure it'll come in handy for many of you guys and myself with different shit that you take pictures of and you want to go back and really focus. Another thing I realized, and I'll insert the video somewhere here, is that it lets in a lot more light. So in the side by side, you'd see that the iPhone 15 is much brighter. Even the color of the ottoman and the book that I'm showing you are very different, more vibrant. So that's another plus. The attention to detail in that upgrade, you would swear the megapixels changed, but they didn't. And the zoom. The zoom is crazy. So at first, when I had pre-ordered, but Apple and this whole thing trying to get on the site, it didn't work. Tried the app, didn't work, and all of that. So the delivery date got pushed. I literally got my phone on Monday. Today is Wednesday when I'm filming this. So yeah, it got pushed and everything, and I went on TikTok and saw somebody at the Beyonce concert, and they literally were not front row, but you'd swear they were front row with the zoom. And I was like, yeah, I'm happy with my purchase. I'll wait. I'll stop being mad that Apple is taking so long with my shipment. So we're literally zooming all the way the road, and that's crazy because that car that we just saw is only now approaching me. That's wild as hell. I could be so nosy with this camera. So there you go. Wow, I can't believe I can see that car. That other car is now approaching me. Wild. I can't believe I could see somebody turn at that corner though. That's crazy. I could see what car it is. Yo, when I tell you it's a long way, it's a long way. This is literally all the way down the street. Crazy. But those of you who really want to know about specifics, you can literally go on the site and look at the comparison. But it's still 6.7 inches between both of them. The iPhone 15 is now the A17 Pro chip. We didn't really know what that means. I'm assuming it makes it faster, more efficient. What I went over with you, the camera, it's still 48 megapixels on the back camera, still ultra wide and telephoto lenses. The super high resolution photos can go in 24 megapixels and 48 for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and for the 14 it was only in 48 megapixels. Battery life is still the same, 5G still the same, still compatible with all the things for MagSafe. Ain't no thing but a chicken wing. So if you don't want to upgrade and you don't really care for the camera and photos or filming for that, I would say if you can wait for the upgrade again next year or whatever, you can. But if you're in for the camera and the things and the zoom and all the things and the things and the things, you may want to consider, especially if you didn't upgrade last year. Now seeing this upgrade, I would have skipped this and probably went to this. So that's just my perspective. Somewhere in the video, insert the video of me zooming literally. Let's see how far the gas station is from here. So the gas station is like 0.1 miles away from here, not very far. We can literally walk, and I was zooming from the house to the end of the street where the gas station is, so 0.1 miles, and you could see on the video the car that I was filming like turning the corner from the gas station and coming up the street. I was flabbergasted. And then there was a squirrel like 3 or 4 houses down that you could see big as day, as bright as day, clear as day. I thought that was really cool. So yeah, my final thoughts, I love this so far. It feels different. I just can't describe it. I don't know what else to say. Even opening it, some people say that the transfer through iPhones, you don't feel like a difference, but with the iOS update that they did, the iOS, what is it, 17? Yes, 17 that they did, plus the new phone, love it, love it, love it, love it, with all the upgrades to your contact card and all of that. I have no complaints. Like I said, if I knew about this, I would have skipped this. But you know, that doesn't happen to Apple. Life not happen like that. So yeah, I highly recommend as usual. Call me biased, I don't care. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.